Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Piggy thumbnail, like a good Piggy thumbnail for your Piggy build mode map, something like this, you know? So, if you ever want to make, like, a Piggy thumbnail for your map, this is, like, the best tutorial that you're going to see, probably. So you're going to be able to make something like this. So, yeah, let's just get into it. First, you're going to want to create your server, so just open up your server. Once you're in your server, just load up the map that you want to make a thumbnail for. So I'm just going to load up, I don't know, my ultimate minigames map. Once your map is loaded in, you're not going to want to have all of these little like block icons on the map thumbnail because it's just going to make it look bad. So what you're going to want to do is go to play and then just go to bot mode. So once you're in, wait until all the if you have dialogue play at the start, just wait for it to disappear. And you're only gonna really be able to do this on PC. I'll show mobile players how to another example on how to do it. But on PC, you're gonna press Shift and P to go into free cam, and you're just gonna find a good angle to take your screenshot. This screenshot is gonna be on the thumbnail of the map. So I'm just gonna take the screenshot right here. So there we go. So that's going to be our screenshot. Now, for mobile players, it's a bit different. You're just going to want to find a different part of the map, or make yourself like a little ledge that you can stand up on super high up, and you're just going to want to take the screenshot there. So now let's head over to actually making the thumbnail look good. Alright, so once you do that, once you take your screenshot, you're going to want to go over to your browser and just go to Photopea right here. So go to Photopea. If you have Photoshop, if you know how to use Photoshop, you can use that. And in my opinion, the best like width and height for a thumbnail is a YouTube height. So that's 1920 for the width, and for the height, you're gonna put 1080. Then you can just set the background to be transparent, and you can press create. Once you do that, you're gonna just open up your files and then find the screenshot you took of your map and just drag it into like the canvas thing. Next, you just want to rescale it so it covers the whole thing like this. And just so you know, if you look at the serverless maps thumbnails, the thumbnails focus in on the center of it. So you're gonna want to put like all the text that you want to have in the center. So I'm gonna put ultimate minigames, and I'm just gonna scale that up, make it easier to see. I'm just gonna make sure that it's in the center like this. So these red lines indicate like the center of like the axes. So it makes it easier to like put it in the center. So then you can customize the text however you want. If you want to add a stroke, you just go over to this, double click right there, and then you can do stroke and then change the size of it. You can just mess around with it, do whatever you want. You can't really add emojis, I don't think they work on here. So yeah. By the way, I forgot to mention, if you want to make like your background brighter, you're just gonna click on the background, like the background image right here, then just click this button, go to brightness and contrast, change it the brightness, and then turn down the contrast a little. And then what you're gonna do, go back here, go to vibrance, and then just turn that up. That's just gonna make it look better and pop out more so people notice it easier. So yeah. Next, what you want to do with your thumbnail, you're going to want to go press File, Export as, PNG, and then just call it whatever you want. So I'm just going to call it Ultimate Minigames Thumb. Then press Save, and it should be right here. Next, you're going to do is go to Roblox, go to Create, and then once you're in Create, press Creations right here. Press development items and press decals. Alright, so once you're here, as you can see, I already uploaded some of mine for my other maps, but you're just gonna want to press upload asset, upload, and then find the file or the thumbnail that you saved. You can name it whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. But just press upload. So just wait for this to upload. And it's gonna have to go through like moderation, so it may take a bit. But basically what you're gonna wanna do, whenever it passes moderation, you'll actually be able to see like the thumbnail. But what you're gonna wanna do is hover your mouse over this, press the 3 lines, and press copy asset ID. And for mobile users, if that doesn't work, just click on this, and then at the top here, there's like a string of numbers. Just copy these numbers. Next, what you're gonna wanna do is go back into your map, go to settings, and in server, you're gonna wanna scroll down and insert the map thumbnail. So here, I'm gonna get the ID right there, and paste it. And make sure that it is following the Roblox TOS, or else you are going to actually get banned. Just press confirm, and then just give it a bit to actually load. There we go, Ultimate Minigames. Then you can select the map genre, and yeah. So that's how you make a good Piggy thumbnail. If you want, you can just go on Google and search like Piggy renders, and like take a render for your thumbnail and make it look really nice. Only if you want to, though. You don't have to. But yeah, so that's how you make a good Piggy thumbnail for your map. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. It really means a lot to me. And also join my Discord. The link will be either in the comments or the description. And also check out my new game. It's called Watch a Brick Spawn Every 3 Seconds. It's pretty cool. I just released a new update, so you should go check it out. Anyways, yeah. That's going to be this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.